Oscar's our friend. He's our buddy. And you're on his cage. And that's not even right. That's Oscar's.
You giving the kitty kisses?
Yeah, right now it's gentle.
Felix just wants to stay with you.
He wants to be your friend.
We don't like this, but he's gonna go down in about 2 seconds.
I'm afraid I'm gonna get flown at or something. Felix, hey, why are you up here? Why are you up here? This is Oscar's place.
Maybe he thinks he's a bird.
It's Oscar's spot. And Oscar's our friend.
Oscar, what do you think?
Get down, Felix. Don't think about it.
He just wants to lay there. He's a strange kitty. Look at him. He is really strange. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Over. Come over from this end. Felix, you'll be a nice boy.
I think he wants to get in there. Stepping in the seeds.
You get down there, Oscar's gonna get you. Felix.
I think it's time to get him off.
Hey, come on, Felix, gotta get down. Over here, get down.
I'll get him down. He's gonna put his paws on my
Look
feet.
at, look at, look at. Gentle. Well, be gentle. Gentle friends.
Oscar, what's going on up there? That's my perch. That's my perch. You gotta get off of there. Alright, I think you should get down.
Hold on. Felix, you gotta get down now. It's not your cage. It's Oscar's cage. That's where Oscar hangs out. Gentle.
Okay. Oscar's puffing up. Okay, I think we'll take him down now.
Okay.